Welcome you all students for Bridge Course of Social. Today we are going to discuss about the topic civics. In that we are going to learn about safety rules and we are going to work out exercise 46. This is going to be very useful and interesting for you. What does mean by safety? Safety stands for stay alert for every task you do, which means you're going to be alert and going to be stay alert for what are the things you're going to do, which means a state of being dangerous. If you feel something is going to happen dangerous and if you feel something going to hurt you or you feel harmful means get away from the place. So that is called as safety. The prevention measures you do for dangerous is called as safety. So before doing a work, you're going to stop, think, and then you're going to act according to that. Next is the different types of safety: public and personal safety, school safety, and road safety. Public means in the public areas, okay, maintaining the social distancing, and personal safety means sanitizing ourselves, and road safety means following the road rules. School safety means being alert in the school. These things comes under the different types of safety, and you can see the pictures and you can get a clear idea about that. Next is safety rules at home or basic safety rules. You can know this and you can get help of these rules. First one, you're going to lock the door and you're going to close the door because anyone can enter easily through the door. And next is you are going to keep the medicine with you. Always you're going to keep the medicine with you, okay? And the floors should be so dry because the old peoples, the elders will be at the home. They can't see the floor. If the floor is wet means they may skid. So you're going to keep the floor very dry. And the emergency plans of the house must be known to all persons, not to the strangers, only to the family members. The emergency plans must be known. And safety alarms and the CCTV cameras must be in working condition. And also the correct procedures you must follow. And you're going to take over the emergency exist also. The next is the road safety. The first thing is if you're going to ride a bike, you're going to wear a helmet, or you're going to drive a car, you're going to put on the seat belts. This is the basic two thing. And you're going to follow the traffic rules, the traffic signals and the speed limits, and you are going to check whether the vehicles are in a good condition. Okay, you people know red says stop, yellow says alert, and green says go. And you're going to maintain the lane discipline if you're going in the national highways. During the bad weather, you must know the emergency numbers like ambulance number, the police service number, like this you have to know about that. The next is going to be the school safety. First thing, you should know your name, number, address. The next is you should stay away from strangers and you should not get anything from the unknown person and you should not eat that. Always if you don't know a person, keep away from them. And you should not go to the tall places and should not climb the wall or fence. Where the tall places, you must be away from that. And you should not be alone in the school. You must be along with your friends or along with your teachers. And the main thing is you should not play with any sharp knives or scissors and any fire equipments like matchboxes, those things you should not touch, okay? The next is also you're going to be very attentive. If some case you have lost means you must be stay where you are, okay? Don't go here and there and get confused. Next, you must not share the telephone numbers or mobile numbers with other persons. During the emergency situation only you are going to share that. And you must know the travel route of the school. While coming and going, you should know the travel routes. And you must know the security and the secured measures of the school. And you always must keep the distance. See the pictures, you may get a clear idea about that. The next is traffic signs and rules in India. So stop for red, slow down for yellow or alert you can tell, and green for go. And mandatory traffic signs means must. The passenger and the driver must know these things, okay? Mainly the driver must know these things. So mandatory traffic signs. And next is cautionary traffic sign means the alerts. Caution means the alert. The alert symbols for the drivers. And these are the symbols. Have a look at these symbols. Next, we'll start the exercise. First one, identify the picture and fill in the blanks. You're going to identify the picture and the missing letters you're going to fill it. Let's see the answers. First one, very easy, zebra crossing. Next is also very easy, traffic signal. Third one is also going to be U-turn, very good. Next is the fourth one. Yes, it's sidewalk. Next exercise, mark the do's as correct and don't as wrong. You're going to put tick mark and wrong, okay? The first picture, which one is correct? The first picture is wrong. You should not get the side like this. Always you must wear the helmet. This second picture is correct. And see, the girl is learning and the boy is climbing in the wall on the tree. Which one is correct? Yes, the first picture, the girl, learning girl is correct. And the climbing boy is wrong. You should not do that, okay? Next is, they are playing with matchbox and they are following the rules. So playing with matchbox is wrong. You should not play with that. And second one is correct. Always you should use the zebra crossing. Very good, students. Next, you are going to color the traffic signals. So you are going to color the traffic signal. You know very well. Very good. Red, yellow and green. Good, children. Next is also you are going to observe the pictures and put out the correct safety rules given below. So you are going to see the picture and going to tell the rules. Let's see the answers. First one, no entry. Yes, the man is there and he has strike it out. So no entry. Second one is stop. Third one is no U-turn. Fourth one is flammable. Fifth one is cool zone. Very good, students. The next one, match the traffic rules with the signals. See the signals and you're going to match this, okay? Let's see the answers. So first one is, what is the answer? Traffic lights. And second one is, do not overtake. Third one is, two-way. Fourth one is, no blowing of horn. Fifth one is, slippery road. Very good, students. I hope you all doing the exercise in a correct manner. The next one, write S for safe and U for unsafe in the following pictures. So look at the picture and you're going to tell which is safe and which is not safe, which means unsafe. The first picture, playing in the road, is it correct? No, it's unsafe. Second one, all are wearing mask and maintaining the social distancing. That one is safe. Very good. Yes. Next one. First picture, all are getting into the van in a proper way. In the second picture, they are shouting out of the van. Which one is correct? Yes. First one is safe and the second picture is unsafe. See the third one. In third one, first picture, they are following the rules. And in the second picture, they are shouting and playing at the home and scattering the things. So the first picture is safe. Second picture is unsafe. Very good. Okay, students, I hope you all enjoyed the exercise. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.